So you are into your Windows PC and there's no absolutely sound into Windows. You don't have to actually worry. This might be a little bit of emergency, but still, the process actually is going to be really easily to find no sound into Windows. First of all, let's click into the volume icon into the taskbar. Now, click the actual arrow next to the actual element here, the volume bar, which is this one. Now that we are directly inside here, sometimes Windows switches your sound to a monitor or a headset you aren't using. So make sure your actual speaker or the headphones are selected here. If the wrong one is checked, you won't hear a thing. So yes, this might be, let's say, annoying and pretty obvious, but sometimes this happens. So make sure everything is, the output device is directly from your Windows speakers. Now let's go for the number 2, the physical mute and volume mixer. Now, I wanted to right click to the volume icon once again, like this. But instead of just the left one, I'm going to go for right click, and we have these 3 different options. Now here what you wanted to do is to go for the open volume mixer. Here what we're going to do, of course, is to check out the actual master volumes that we currently have directly inside here. So as you can see on the application, everything is 100 and everything actually sounds. So as you can see, we do have sound into this actual device. And this, for example, is the actual decibels of how strong the sound actually is. Now, if none of this works for you, let's go for the Windows Troubleshooter. So usually what we would do, of course, is to go into my settings. Into my settings, let's head over for system and head over for the element that says sound. Now inside here, I wanted to scroll all my way down and try to look out for the option that says troubleshoot common sound. That sometimes it appears directly inside here. Setting up a default audio, let's go for troubleshoot common sound problem, and you wanted to choose the option that says output devices. So I'm going to click directly inside here. Windows will scan your drivers and audio search to find the error. Now, if it finds a glitch, it will fix your yours automatically and you are good to go. And just in case this actually didn't happen, I'm going to show you just a pro move. So what you wanted to do is to make sure that I'm going to go directly into my start menu. I'm going to go for the option that says services. I'm going to click directly inside here, and I wanted to scroll down until you find the Windows audio. So all your way down here, we should just find the option that says Windows audio. Here it is. Now, what I wanted to do is to right click it and select the option that says restart. This refreshes the entire sound engine of your PC without needing to reboot your whole computer. And something else that I can suggest you to do is to open the control panel. Directly into your control panel, you want to go for the hardware and sound. Directly here, I'm going to go for managed audio devices, and here what you can do is to look out for the actual device that you currently have, which in my case would be this one. So here you wanted to make sure that this one is not disabled, otherwise that might be the reason why there are no sounds out there. Lastly, we're going to focus into once again the Windows search bar and go for device manager. Inside the device manager or the device manager, what you wanted to do is to find the software or the element that finds directly into sound, video, and game controllers. Directly inside here, you want to focus for your high definition audio and make sure that you have up to date all the drivers. So you go for search for automatically elements, and sometimes they might be appearing with different drivers that you might need to reinstall once again. So try to make sure that you are up to date with the Windows to update elements. So once you have now make sure that everything works for you, I wanted to restart my computer and we're good to go. So if you have still an actual problem, you can let me know in the comments below and see what we can actually do for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.